In this example, we're going to integrate the square root of x from 4 to 9. We first need to use our knowledge of indices to write root x as x to the power a half. We can now integrate into our squared brackets, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, and the closing bracket carries the limits. Note here that we're dividing by a fraction. We know that when we divide by a fraction, we turn upside down and multiply. So if we're dividing by 3 over 2, that's the same as multiplying by 2/3. So when we rewrite this expression, we can write it as 2 times x to the 3 over 2 divided by 3. As usual, this will become a pair of round brackets. The first bracket carries the expression with the top limit substituted in, and the second bracket has the bottom limit substituted in. Calculating this, and we could do it on a calculator, but the square root of 9 then cubed is 27, so this is 54 over 3, and here this would be 2 cubed, which is 8, times 2, which is 16, so 54 over 3, take away 16 over 3, so we need to do 54 take away 16, which is 38 divided by 3.